Matthew. I guess we'll count again in Ella. Does anyone else have one? Okay. That's just gun rule enough. Well, it's scary, isn't it? Okay. Kat jarag eg margit. Okay. There's another word that you could use for that. There's a word rua. Would be used. It's questionable whether that's a rua. I don't know. Rua is red-haired, but I don't know. That's not really a red-haired cat. It's a pretty scary red color. So there should be one other cat. Okay, ken dahatar de chatsa. Okay, agam. Yeah. Okay. So ta cut down eg kribin, and actually your cat could probably be called Rua also. I think it looks more Rua than this one. Okay.
Demon cat.
Yeah. Okay. I guess ta boska agam chama. So I have a box also. I guess ta da goram ermawoska, and there's a blue color on my box. I guess and will boska again dinel and sha. Okay, I guess ken dahatar de woska. Okay. Or you can say ta boska don agam or boska down agam, or you can say ta da down air. There's a brown color on it. Da down air. I guess agam, yeah. Okay.
I used to say it. What is it? It has a blue color on it or a brown color on it?
Yeah, that's the air part on it.
Air would be it.
On it.
On it.
Yeah, so ta da plus air.
Ta is it.
Yeah,
And the
is.
arrow is
Ta is
the-
is.
Okay.
So we're really saying is colored blue on it.
Ta da.
Or
Ta da.
green, gloss. Yeah.
Gloss air.
Yeah.
Ta
Yeah, is color. Because it always starts with a verb in it. So is color green on it.
And you say ta da gloss air. And that's the end of it.
Yeah, it's green. Yeah, there's a green color on it. I guess Kelly. Oh, Gart.
Ta boska gom ta da jarg air.
Okay. Come on. I guess Kelly. Ken da ata erdowaska. So what color is your box?
Yeah.
Or Neil Boska agam. Neil Boska agam.
Neil Boska agam.
Okay, so Neil Boska agam. Okay, so how about let you guys put this one together. Ken da ata er boska Kelly. So what color is on Kelly's box?
Is that Kelly?
Yeah.
She doesn't have
So how do you say she doesn't have?
Neil Boska Aki.
Eki. Neil Boska Eki. Right. Neil Boska Eki. Okay.
I have a box upon me.
Okay, right. Got you, right? Okay, and we'll Madra again, then, and show. Neil. Okay. Okay. Kat ella ta give. So what else do you have?
Ta phone glass.
Okay. Okay, so phone glass gart. Okay, so okay, ta phone corker Margate. I guess how to target the Chivin?
Ta Ankopan agam.
Okay, ken da tar kupan and gopan.
Ta da kokra air.
Okay, ta da korkra. So there's a purple color on. And we'll rod korkra again dinella. Rod is a thing, and we'll rod korkra again dinella. Does anyone else have a purple thing?
Yeah, it says it's
Yeah.
blue, but it looks
Some of the blue and purple is kind of close looking. Purple tends to be a little more violety and like things, I think. Brishta, okay, so okay, brishta are pants. So ta brishta korkara eg pam. Brishta korkara. And we'll brishta again dinella is nakarti. Brishta.
Brishta?
Brishta are pants, yeah.
Oh, I know Brishta.
Okay, ta, how do you say that?
Ta Brishta agam.
Okay. Or agamsa, yeah, and agamsa is a little better there. Okay. I guess ken dahatar air.
Ta da lay?
Leah.
Air.
Gray. Okay. I guess we'll breach again to know and show. Okay, agam. So.
Tada glass agam.
Okay, so ta.
Air.
Air. Okay, so ta breach the glass egg Kelly. I guess we'll skirty again then and show. You want to have skirts?
Oh.
Okay, can doctor and skirt.
That's what that is?
Skirta. Huh?
Brown.
Down, yeah. So you can say ta skirta down agam, I have a brown skirt, ta da down or skirta. Okay, I guess in yellow.
Ta root glass.
The what glass?
Root.
Road glass agam, so I have something green. Cut it.
Ta skirt.
Okay, skirt the glass and yeah. Okay. Well, skirt again Danella.
Tasca bui.
Okay, skirt the bui. So a yellow skirt. Okay. And we'll in Rodella bui a give.
Does anybody have anything else that's yellow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Katataga. Bolgon. Bolgon is a bulb. Okay, like Christmas bulbs or bolgon or like any kind of light bulb would be. Bolgon. Okay. I guess and we'll bolgon jarig again dinner and show. We'll bolgon jarig again dinner.
Red.
Red bulb.
Yeah. Bolgon is a bulb. Jarig is red. Ke ege will and bolgon jarig. Who has it? Okay. I guess you can say ta and bolgon jarig agamsa. So I have the red. Ta. They would say I have the red bulb. So ta and bolgon jarig agamsa. Okay. So
What's the translation of the agamsa?
that means I have it as opposed to someone else. So if you're trying to,
Okay.
because if I'm asking, usually, and you have to kind of get used to when you use it. But like I'm asking a group of people who has it, then you could say tasha agamsa. I have it. Okay. Okay. I guess ke ege will and bolgan gloss. So who has the green bulb? Ke ege will and bolgan gloss.
Ta Balgan glass agam.
Okay. Okay. I guess will bolgan ella on? Is there another bulb?
Ta
Okay. Ken dakatire.
and Bogan Gorm Agamsa.
Okay. All right. I guess and will daha rashta or inrod? Is there an orange color on anything?
Ta.
Okay. I guess kare. What is it?
Cut.
Okay.
I guess ta da orashta air.
Yeah. So you can say ta katagam. I guess daha rashta air. It's a very Irish way of saying something is. So it says ta katagam I guess daha rashta air. So I have a cat and an orange color on it.
That's an Irish way of saying it.
Yeah, other than the fact that rush, I mean the words aren't, but the expression, really what it says, so is a cat at me and color orange on it. So I have a cat and an orange color on it.
Shanti, why is on the last one it has the AN Bolgan?
Yeah,
What is the AN?
the word bolgan is a bulb,
Right.
and the word bulg by itself is a stomach. So a lot of words that are just made with an at the end. Okay, and it's not always obvious where they came from, if anywhere. They just end in an. Okay, so sometimes you can, if you take the an off, you sometimes can see where it maybe came from. So bulgum might have come from like a bulge or something like that in the
No, but I'm
stomach.
thinking the AN before.
Oh, duh. Oh, sorry, I tried to hear that one.
Oh, yeah.
That means duh. Okay, so what?
I have
Oh.
So I have the red bulb.
But for takat, that's a cat.
Yeah, and
So you don't have an A.
right. So yeah, so this they're saying different things. So this one is saying I have a cat and it is
A cat.
orange.
A
Okay,
cat.
and there's an orange color. This is saying I have the red bulb because I asked who has the red bulb.